with your arms wrapped around his waist. Well, waist is right, cause you'll be circling the fight, going nowhere in such haste. His way of speech makes me think he likes to teach you commands like stay and sit. Well, here's my proposal, let's have a talk and get closer, try me on, I think I just might fit. Cause I saw your face when you came in that door. Just a little taste and I'm feeling for more. We got just the one thing that's in our way. And judging by his face and his alcoholic face, I think we can erase the space between our waists. Cause I'm on leave and the sergeant is away. So let's make our great escape, so that you don't have to waste your life on someone so cold. Just step into the heat, cause I think you'll find it about the sweet. And don't leave your lifeline on hold. Cause I've got the hooch and I'm willing to share. Your heart looks broken, come and Mr. Repair. Mystery Repair. Now I could take it on the town, but if that doesn't sound like your bag, then that's okay. Cause a walk would be nice, and with you by my side, I know that we can never stray from this feeling that I gotta drink it down and hit the spot. Cause you know my glass is always half full. Let's wind it on down, cause the feeling that I found is oh so wonderful. Cause I saw your face when you came in that door, and just a little taste and I'm feeling for more. We got just the one thing that's in our way. And judging by his face and his alcoholic face, I think we can erase the space between our waists. Cause I'm on leave and your sergeant is away. So let's make our great escape, so that you don't have to waste your life on someone so cold. Just step into the heat, cause I think you'll find it about the sweet. And don't leave your lifeline on hold. Cause I've got the hooch and I'm willing to share. Your heart looks broken, come and Mr. Repair. Mystery Repair.
Anything.